Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Right now, Nigerians are waiting with bated breath to see if there will be any protest on August 1st, 2024. The nationwide protest, which is going under the hashtag End Bad Governance in Nigeria, is expected to start from 1st and end on the 10th of August. But from all indication, the government, being aware of the protest, is doing a lot to ensure that it doesn't take place. In fact, there is a possibility that the protest will even be a pro-Bola Ahmed Tinubu protest, and that those who plan to protest against the hardship in the country may decide to withdraw, or their protests will be thwarted by pro-Bola Ahmed Tinubu protest. What you may see, there is a likelihood of the kind of General Abacha's 2 million man march replicated all over the place in support of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, thereby making mess of whatever those who plan to protest had intended. So do not be surprised that between August 1st and 10th, many people will pour into the street with placard in support of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, because already we are witnesses of how several groups and organizations are disassociating themselves from the proposed protest. So the protest appears to have died even before it starts, from what we are seeing in the public space in terms of online and offline media publications. Several groups, several interests from east, west, north, and south, from southeast, southwest, south, northeast, northwest, north central. So many groups are saying they have nothing to do with the protest, that they are against the protest, that the protest will lead to violence, that the protest is not what the country needs, that what the country needs right now is to support President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who they say is doing a lot to rescue the country from its present economic quagmire. That's what they are saying. That is the message they are sending. And all these people saying these things, they have the supports of their various state governments and those in government. So I will not be surprised that what you are going to see in the so-called August of Rage or whatever will be actually canonization of the Tinubu's presidency by APC supporters and those who want to show that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is doing a fantastic job, even though the economy indicates otherwise. That is what you are likely to see. But that is not the whole story. What should bother the government? There is something that should fear the government, which is what I'm going to talk about right now. But before I talk about it, if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours. And you see some of the books are pinned on this screen. These are some of my books. You can get them on Amazon. Just type the title of the book with the author's name inside Google. Google will take you directly to Amazon platform. And you can get these books, whether in ebook, paperback, or hard copy. They are all available. Thank you, and let's dive into what I say that the government should fear. What the government should fear is the protest that they cannot control. Right now, they are aware of these protests, apparently. That was why they were able to mobilize so much, and they have done so much, and they are doing so much to thwart it. That's why you have seen several groups coming out from every part of the country saying they are not part of the protest. And if you look at all the statements they make, all of them admitted that the economy is bad, that things are not as it should be, but protest should not take place, that protest is not what is needed. Fine and good. That is what they are saying. Government has bought into it. Government is happy with it. And like I said, there might not even be a protest against the Tinubu government from August 1st to August 10th. Even if they exist, it will be so insignificant that the government will even think that in arranging the protest, the government has triumphed over them, those who arranged it, because you see several people that will come out to counter those who want to protest, to show that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is working. But what government should fear is the kind of spontaneous protest that they will not be aware when it will happen, because those who would pour into the streets across the country to protest it have no leaders, did not arrange with each other. It will be like what happened in Kano earlier this year and Niger State earlier this year, where people poured onto the street and blocked the highway. And if the economic situation does not improve, if it continue to be the way it is under this administration, it might get to the place where you will have spontaneous outpouring or pouring of Nigerians on the street, leaderless, but all with one agenda. The agenda to say enough is enough. That is what should fear the government. That is the most dangerous protest, because in that one, there will be no one to talk to. Right now, you can see that those who are organizing it, they are sending their lawyer to go and meet police, and there's this back and forth between the lawyers of the protest organizers and the police. What on the format of the protest? Is it going to be restricted to an enclosure? Is it going to be a street protest? What format? All those kind of things. They demand that people should write the address, like what is going on, checking the bank accounts of those who are protesting or who are organizing it, closing down some bank accounts and all this. It is because this is a formal protest some people want to do. The one that the government should fear most is the protest by ordinary Nigerians on the street. That will be reminiscence of what happened in the Arab Spring, in which a street trader set himself ablaze in Tunisia. Because also, don't forget, the rate that government is in desperate need of revenue, the way they harass people on the street who are selling things, who are trying to survive under this economy in which things have been turned against them literally. People who are trying to sell on the streets, trying to survive, the way government officials maltreat them, deal with them like they are slaves and all that. These things happen all over the country. One day, it will spark something, and that bottled up anger and frustration will be unleashed on the system. That is the one that should fear the government most, because that one, nobody know how it will start, and nobody know knows how it will end. And we may get there if the system does not change, if the greed of the elite is not caught, and the resources sent to assuage the hunger and starvation in the land by the leaders cutting the cost of governance, and release enough resources for ordinary man to be able to eat at least one food a day. It will get to the level where government will not be able to mobilize. Those who will be involved in it, I don't know who they are, but those people will be pushed on the street by the system. It is now left for the system to see whether it will survive it at that time. That is what should worry the government, and not this fiery victory they are likely to feel, because already I don't see how this protest will rattle them, given all they know about it. What should worry them is the protest they know nothing about. That's my take on the state of the nation, on this issue of nationwide protests being planned by some Nigerians. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.